So, hello everyone. My name is Solito O. Velasco, and I will be presenting the Maria Clara at Ibarra episode 92 to 95, an emotional journey of love, courage, and tragedy. So, I will be presenting the episode of 92 to 95. So, we'll go first to episode 92, a bittersweet reunion. Fidel and Maria Clara meet again. So, after 13 long years, Maria Clara and Fidel are finally reunited in the convent. Their reunion is emotional and heartbreaking. Fidel expresses how much he regrets letting her go. So Maria Clara still feels the pain of the past but appreciates seeing Fidel again. So Clay, still in the world of Ilfili, watches the reunion and reflects on how deep love and sacrifice go in this world. So the scenes remind Clay how powerful emotion can be, even when history can't be changed. So in episode 93, a plan to protect rescuing Maria Clara. So Clay discovers Padre Salve's evil plan to harm Maria Clara. She immediately warns Simon and Fidel helps create a plan to save her. Clay uses her knowledge of the novels to guide them on what could happen. Fidel becomes more determined to fight for Maria Clara. Their teamwork shows how people from different paths can unite for justice. So, in episode 94, um, this is about the confronting evil, Padre Salve's wrath. So, Padre Salve's attempt to carry out his plan against Maria Clara. And then, Clay, Simon, and Fidel arrive just in time to confront him and protect her. So, Padre Salve uses his priestly authority to escape blame. The episode reveals the deep corruption in the system during Spanish rule. Clay feels the fear and helplessness that many Filipinos experience under colonial power. So, in the last episode of Assigned to Me, episode 95, this is about a tragic goodbye, the death of Maria Clara. Maria Clara is shot by Padre Salve as she tries to escape. Fidel reaches her and gives her one final kiss as she dies in their arms. Simon is crushed by grief, watching the woman he loved by taking from him again. And then Clay realizes some fates in history cannot be changed. So this episode ends with a sorrow and reflection, showing how cruel injustice can be. So this is all the episode that assigned to me. And thank you, everyone.